Continue. All right. So now we are on step number 3 of for here. Advertisement with Google. And like we said earlier, right off the bat, so you can just start. And I would suggest, so maybe make at least 2 or 3 and see which ones perform best. So what Google has done is they already actually. So we're going to delete these. This is what we think they want for ads. We don't though. Delete all of these. So the first headline. Just say something really basic. Agency. NYC, and maybe on the second headline, we want something like 100% guarantee. Write 100%. Guarantee. So as we go through and we fill out the headline and then the description, you have to remember that sometimes when trying to run ads, of what words we can put in the headline. Look for inspiration from other ads and other companies. Now don't go and copy people. Please don't do that. But when I say this, you can go ahead and in New York City, right? Google, maybe marketing agency London, marketing agency Toronto. You get some interesting ideas that you didn't think to use before. Mix and match a little bit. That's not very right to do. So if you want to do that, for some inspiration, let's say that maybe for another headline, increase leads. And maybe for another line, voted #1 agency or ad agency in Manhattan. Right, make sure you don't make this up. This one goes over our 30-character limit. So we're going to have to actually just type in maybe NYC, not NYU, NYC. And you know, we can just stick with for headlines for now. Let's go and add some of our descriptions here. Ad agency. Focused on driving. Growth, maybe in another description. We can add in some other different words as well. I'm doing this off the cuff right here. I can just throw out there right now. You know, double sales. What, right? But I'm just kind of skimming over this now. So once you figure that out, and now we want to confirm our payment info. And once we do this, where it will get pretty interesting. And then once we are actually inside of our ad account, so let's go ahead. And then we can continue on with this. Alright, so we just submitted our payment info. Let's click on continue. And now we are going to explore our campaign. It says that they're going to review our campaign. So might have to sit around a little bit. Whatever it might be, we can edit our campaign and check on its progress.